Hello my friends, welcome to Bunny Tales. Today we're going to do an activity called Secret Message. This activity is perfect for any age group. For kindergarten, I use it this way. I use a white crayon to write letters on a piece of paper. For first and second grade, you can write sentences. You can even use it for math and write numbers, or you can draw shapes. The possibilities are endless. After you write your secret message, then you can have the kids use some paint. They're going to put some paint on a paintbrush and then just paint over the paper. Paint will not show on the area which you've used the crayon, and by painting on the paper, everything will take the color of the paint except for your secret message. This activity is perfect because it requires little prep and always has a big wow factor as the little kids think it's magic. I hope your little ones enjoy this activity. Please subscribe to Bunny Tales for more activities and videos. Thank you!